So we're going to continue with our analysis. This is the part two of the video. Now, this is what we have with us. But for this analysis, we want to find the product that sells more. Also, which day of the week generated the highest revenue. We also want to find out the growth rate. There, since it's a 2 year data, 2014 to 2015. We would like to find the growth rate. We would like also to know the months that sells better. But with what we have here, we can't do those analysis. So we have to find day name, month name, and also year. To do that, we'll create that using this date column. And this is how we'll do it. You click on the date column and you go to add column. Now you go down to this date drop down and we'll see day. But we don't want to take day. We want to take name of day so we can get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. So we click this and we have it here. Day name. Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Now we're still going to create month name. So we can have January, February, March. To do that, we're still going to go through the same process. Click on the date column, click on add column, go to the date drop down, and we are going to go to month now and down to name of month. And we have this here, month name, April to September. That's January till December. So we want to create year. We want to see the years we have here because the date column is there but it's not obvious. We just want it to show 2014 and 2015. So we're still going to go through the same process. Click on the date column, add column, go to the date drop down, and this time around we'll pick year, and we have this. So our data is looking good now. Then now this is the sales data. For every sales data, the main KPI is the total sales, and we don't have that here. So to create the total sales, we need to multiply units times price. To do that, you click on units, hold down your shift button and click on price. You're still going to go to add column and you will come to here standard, the drop down. And we're going to click on the multiply. So we have this. So we're going to rename our column for multiplication and we're going to name it as total sales. With this, we are good to go. So we have dates, we have branch, because we're going to find sales by branch to know the branch with the highest sales. We're also going to do total sales by sales agent, sales by product, sales by day name, sales by month, and sales by year. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the part 3 of the video.